Remember orange cream popsicles? Now imagine that in a latte. This iced orange cream latte is creamy, zesty, and perfectly sweet, like a dreamy creamsicle with a coffee kick. Fresh orange juice, real vanilla, and smooth espresso over ice, topped with velvety milk. No artificial syrups, just real ingredients. It's refreshing, nostalgic, and so easy to make at home. Let's shake one up. Ingredients: 1 shot of espresso, or the cup strong brewed coffee. Cooled. The cup fresh orange juice, about 1 medium quan. 1 tbsp vanilla syrup, or 1 tsp vanilla extract plus 1 tbsp honey. The cup milk of choice. Almond or whole milk work great. 1 cup ice cubes orange zest, and a vanilla bean slice for garnish. Directions. Start by brewing a fresh shot of espresso or a half cup of very strong coffee. Set it aside to cool slightly. You don't want it melting all your ice right away. In a small jar or a cocktail shaker, combine the fresh orange juice and vanilla syrup. Give it a good shake or stir to blend the flavors. If you're using honey and vanilla extract instead, whisk them into the orange juice until the honey dissolves completely. Fill a tall glass with ice cubes. Pour the orange juice mixture over the ice, then slowly add the cooled espresso or coffee. Watch those gorgeous layers form. Orange on the bottom, coffee in the middle. In a separate small jar, add your milk. Seal the lid and shake vigorously for 30 seconds until it becomes frothy and bubbly. Gently pour the frothed milk over the back of a spoon to float it on top of the coffee. For a final touch, grate a little fresh orange zest over the foam and drop in a vanilla bean slice or an orange twist. Give it a gentle stir, insert a straw, and sip your way to creamsicle heaven. This is summer in a glass. That's the iced orange cream latte. Creamy, citrusy, and totally addictive. Use fresh orange juice for the brightest flavor and shake that milk well for a beautiful foam layer. Adjust the sweetness to your taste. More syrup for a dessert vibe, less for a bright morning sip. If you loved this creamsicle coffee, hit like and subscribe. Tag me in your orange latte art. Happy sipping. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors. Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffeelover.